Equity market, an overview. The equity market, commonly referred to as the stock market, is a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. It is a crucial component of the financial system, providing companies with access to capital and investors with ownership in these companies. Key features of the equity market. Ownership. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner of that company. This ownership entitles you to a portion of the company's profits and assets. Dividends. Companies may distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. Not all companies pay dividends, some may reinvest their profits back into the business. Capital gains. Investors can earn money through capital gains, which occur when the price of the stock increases above the purchase price. Liquidity. The equity market provides high liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell shares quickly and with relative ease. Types of equity markets. Primary market, the market where new shares are issued and sold to investors for the first time through initial public offerings, IPOs, and follow-on public offerings, FPOs. In the primary market, the company receives the capital raised from the sale of shares. Secondary market, the market where existing shares are traded among investors. This includes major stock exchanges like the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE, in India. Participants in the equity market. Retail investors, individual investors who buy and sell securities for personal accounts. Institutional investors, entities like mutual funds, pension funds, insurance companies, and foreign institutional investors, FIIs, that trade large volumes of securities. Brokers and dealers, intermediaries who facilitate the buying and selling of securities. Market makers, entities that provide liquidity to the market by continuously quoting buy and sell prices for securities. Trading mechanism. Trading hours. In India, the equity market operates from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday. Order types. Market order, an order to buy or sell a stock immediately at the current market price. Limit order, an order to buy or sell a stock at a specified price or better. Stop loss order, an order to sell a stock when it reaches a certain price to limit losses. Settlement cycle, the time it takes to complete a trade. In India, the settlement cycle is T+1, meaning the trade is settled one business day after the transaction. Market indices. Sensex, the benchmark index of the BSE, comprising 30 financially sound and well-established companies across various sectors. Nifty 50, the benchmark index of the NSE, consisting of 50 large-cap companies across different sectors. Investment strategies. Long-term investing. Buying and holding stocks for an extended period to benefit from capital appreciation and dividends. Value investing, investing in stocks that are undervalued based on fundamental analysis. Growth investing, investing in companies expected to grow at an above-average rate. Day trading, buying and selling stocks within the same trading day to profit from short-term price movements. Swing trading, holding stocks for a few days or weeks to take advantage of expected market swings. Risk management. Diversification, spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Stop-loss orders, setting predetermined price levels to limit potential losses. Regular monitoring, keeping track of market trends, economic indicators, and company performance. Regulatory framework. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, the regulatory authority that oversees the functioning of stock exchanges, protects investor interests, and ensures a fair and transparent market. The equity market offers numerous opportunities for investors to grow their wealth. By understanding its key features, participants, and investment strategies, investors can make informed decisions and navigate the market effectively.